Hey, guess what? My package just showed up. It's the stuff I ordered from LMC. We'll get her in the shop here and get it opened up, take a look at it. All right, we're gonna open these parts and see what's in them. I can't remember exactly what I ordered without looking at my list. I don't want to look at my list. This is like one of those unboxing videos. Well, oh, I forgot all about it. Trim for the back of the cab. Precious. There's Precious. We'll wrap that back up. I had one when it was really beat up. Here's a comparison of the new back cab trim. The old beat up one there and the new one next to it. And then my cab corners are in good shape. I just need to just kind of restore them, clean them up a little bit, and repaint the black so they'll match the new one. They're in good shape other than that. So that'll be a nice improvement. I don't know how dings like that get all over in that trim. Can't imagine that. You know, firewood, stuff like that. This one's kind of heavy. It must be all rubber. I've got a bunch of rubber seals for the doors and windows and all that. So I'm betting that's what this is. Sure enough. Oh, and my new step for the bed. That one was pretty beat up, and I straightened it up quite a bit. I just didn't know if it was going to be good enough, so we just replaced the step with this new one. Sounds like cowbell. And check that out. Nice and shiny. Can't wait to see that installed in there. And here's a little side-by-side comparison of this old dash bezel. You can see the corners there and over there broke out, plus these other holes. I think I already showed that. Well, and then here's the other one right next to it. Nice and bright, fresh. It's gonna look so nice, all that fresh stuff inside. And I don't know, pretty light. Oh, the threshold steps for the hold the carpet down inside the cab. That's gonna look nice. And what else? Seal for the vent windows. More seals for windows. Door seals. Yeah, these are all rubber seals for the windshield, back window, doors, wing windows, door window seals. Oh, it's all in here. And that's why that's kind of heavy. And what is this? Seat. Oh, this is the seat cover. I got new upholstery for the seat. In tan. To match the rest of the interior. Going tan this time. A little lighter than I thought it was going to be. Got a really nice buckskin cover or color on the vinyl. And the other part's a little bit lighter than I was expecting. It'll still look nice. So I don't know if you got a good look at this cover. It's the backrest. velour, pretty nice. But I don't see pliers in here. I thought this had come with pliers. They're certainly not in here. Just might have to call and find out. But anyhow, they're pretty nice. It's got that's the front, the sides and the front piece, and then the whole back actually has a cover over it, over the whole back. And what is this? Oh, my door panels. Brand spanking new door panels. Yeah, that's nice. Got the ferrule for the door latch, window felt, got all the hardware to attach it, screws and clips. Yeah, that looks sharp. So here's a little side-by-side comparison of what I had to work with. Doesn't look too bad till you get close. It painted, this was more of a deluxe trim package. It had like a chrome trim around here and around here, but painted over all that, which I could use paint remover and get that off of there. But they painted, I don't know if you can see that, it's all cracked. Anyhow, it's a pretty rough paint job over the top of this. The paint's cracked and on really heavy, which probably would have been okay, but I don't know what happened here with that, but it just really didn't come out good. And of course it didn't prep it good, so it's coming off in spots. So anyhow, I decided to get a new one. You see why. And of course this one here, really nice. It doesn't have the trim in here and the trim piece here, but it's still way nicer. And for the money, it was a lot easier than trying to fix these. Like I said earlier, they're not broken. I think overall they're pretty solid, but it'd just be too hard to try to clean that up. So anyhow, that's why we got new ones. And of course, that looks nice and fresh. Way better than the old ones. I was gonna try to salvage the old ones, but they were just ugly. So anyhow, I got all the interior pieces I need now. Minus just little things, little bitty stuff that I can pick up at the hardware store or whatever, screws and things like that. I had got some bed bolts here, stainless steel, new pulls for the locks, a few plugs for the doors. Of course, my armrest and step, and the threshold pieces. There's a list of parts that I just got. Just went through and checked. It looked like everything's here, just so I know for sure. Okay guys, here's an update. I contacted LMC on those missing pliers. They processed my order request and got them in the mail, and I got them in about a week. So it's good news, good news. So anyhow, I'll finish up the paintwork on the cab and I can start putting some of this stuff in, seals, and get the windows and all that put in. It's kind of exciting. So anyhow,